It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Meebo noise canceling earplugs. These guys are awesome. Let me tell you a little bit about them. If I show you them, you're going to see that they're actually like a rubber bendable construction, which is super important because if you use these like to sleep, you want something lightweight that's not going to make pressure with the pillow and give you discomfort inside your ear canal. Now, another great feature about these guys is that they come with different sizes. So you get this little extra case, and inside you're going to see you have multiple options. So here's the different sizes here, and then you have the traditional ones that you can use. Either way, they have the connection piece in the back so that you can connect them to your earplug holder. But let me go ahead and show you these guys in. So you see how that actually goes inside your canal? This helps these earplugs to stay inside your ear so they're not going to fall out. I absolutely love this extra design. It wasn't made for nothing. So I'll go ahead and show you. You see? It really does help cancel out noise. Like I can still hear with these inserts in, but it definitely muffles it. So if you're trying to just drown out something going on, maybe construction your neighbors have, you just want that extra peace and quiet, this is gonna provide that. And like I mentioned, that piece that goes in your ear really makes it secure. So you just pull it out when you're ready to take it out, but they're not gonna fall out on their own. I absolutely love these earplugs. I would highly recommend them. That's my point of view.